Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I'm here with your weekly tech tip. First off, thanks for tuning in. Our goal is to share different tips and tricks with you each week to help you make better use of your information technology systems and ultimately protect your organization against cyber attacks while staying ahead of the technology curve. This week, we're going to cover a topic that our clients ask about quite often. What is ransomware, and how can I protect our company against becoming the next victim of a ransomware infection? Like I said, we get asked this question almost every day. Ransomware is a malicious software designed to block access to a computer system until a sum of money is paid. Ransomware will encrypt your files, folders, databases, and other information on your computer system or network until you pay the ransom. In theory, once the ransom is paid, a decryption code is sent to you and hopefully you can unlock your files. But that's not always true. In addition, paying the ransom to a cyber criminal is not easy. Most demand payment in Bitcoin or some other form of cryptocurrency, which prevents the cyber criminal from being tracked by authorities. Ransomware impacts all types of businesses from large enterprises to small startups all across the country. Here are some very basic steps to protect your organization. 1. Make sure you have a solid business continuity and disaster recovery plan in place. This means backups are done every single day on site and in the cloud. 2. Invest only in the best cybersecurity defenses, including antivirus software, anti-malware software, DNS filtering, business-grade firewalls, and more. 3. Never click or open any attachment without first verifying the authenticity of the sender. If you're not expecting it, don't open it. Delete anything suspicious. 4. Make sure you and your staff members participate in regular cybersecurity awareness training. This will keep your company ahead of the curve and in the know. Last but not least, make sure your IT service company knows what they're doing. There are many IT companies claiming to be cybersecurity experts, so do your research before signing an agreement. This is only the beginning. There are many other strategies to keep you secure against cyber threats, including ransomware. Questions? Get in touch with us, and we'll be more than happy to sit down with you and help you understand how to best secure your network and your organization. Stay tuned for future tech tips.